Hey there, welcome to AI Dance Ethical Echoes. Are you tired of manually entering hundreds of contacts into your phone? Imagine being able to import hundreds of contacts into your phone from Google Contacts in just a few minutes. Let's dive in and discover how easy and quick it really is. First things first, ensure you are logged into your Google account on the device you're using. I'm showing you how to do this on a MacBook for iPhone, but the process is similar for all Android phones, and you can do that from a Windows laptop easily too. If you aren't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Having your details already set up will make the process smoother and faster. Next, let's navigate to the Google Contacts. You can do this by opening in your web browser, contacts.google.com. Now it's time to get those contacts into your phone and add fresh contacts to your new phone or already existing contact list synced with Google Contacts. Step 1. Import template from Google Contacts and organize final contacts in upload format. First, we need a template. Go to your Create Contacts section here, then select Create Multiple Contacts and click on Import Contacts. Now click on the template link here to download the same template. Select Sample Template here and open this file in your web browser or Excel application. Now paste all your contact data here in the required fields, like I have done here in this other file, simply by adding first name, last name, email ID, and phone numbers or any other details you want to add into the template. Once done, export this sheet as a CSV file. Step 2. Upload final CSV file to Google Contacts and export. vCard file in .cf format. Head back to Google Contacts and click Import Contacts, and then select the file from your default downloads folder and attach the CSV file you just created. Let Google work its magic. Once imported in Google Contacts like this, we need to make these contacts compatible with both iPhone and Android, for which click here on the Export button and choose vCard for Android or iOS and hit Export button. The file will be automatically saved to your Downloads folder. Step 3. Open the downloaded .vcf file and add contacts to your default Contacts app or phone directly. Open this vCard file on your computer. You can usually do this directly from the download folder. Your contacts will be imported into your default contact app on a Mac for iPhone, and for Windows and Android phone, you can save them directly to your Android phone as per the on-screen instructions. That's it! You've successfully transferred hundreds of contacts from Excel to your phone in minutes. This file includes names, phone numbers, email addresses, and all other details as saved in the edited template file. And just like that, hundreds of contacts will pop up on your phone. Everything from phone numbers to company details will be at your fingertips, all in just a few clicks and easy taps on the touchscreen. Thank you for joining us on this tutorial at AI Dance Ethical Echoes today. Give this method a try and make managing your contacts a breeze. And if you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more efficient and useful tech tips. See you in the next video.